Namaskar friends, this is Sanit More, the founder of SANEETS.com, and in this video I am going to review a speaker named Tribit MaxSound Plus. So stay tuned till the very end of this video and you will find all the answers related to this product. So firstly, talking about the build quality of this product, as you can see that the front grille is made up of black painted metal, which is very strong. The back of it is hard plastic and the rest of the body, including the buttons, are made up of thick rubber-like material. If you rub your nails on this material, you'll get some marks on this speaker, but nothing much to worry about. Overall, the product is built like a tank and feels quite rugged. Now the important stuff. How is the sound quality of the Tribit Max Plus? The mid-range frequencies of this speaker is really good. That means the music with vocals or heavy mid-range instrumentals sound marvelously awesome. The high frequencies are on a flatter side, means in layman's term, the treble sound is going to be a bit flatter. But a big surprise is the low-end frequencies. Looking at the size of this speaker, what I think is the bass is really good, but you cannot expect the kind of bass that you get in bigger speakers. But with this, you will get the kind of bass which adds a beautiful, rich warmth to your musical experience. Overall, talking about the sound quality, it's a really good quality sound that you're gonna get out of this little speaker. Plus the loudness is also very nice, which also depends upon the environment that you're going to use it in. If you're using it in a small place, it's going to be enough for you. If you're going to be using it in a bigger space, then you will need even bigger speaker than this one, because the sound is not going to be sufficient and the bass is going to be on a lower side. And this is going to be common with all of the sound devices out there. So nothing much different about this. The speaker has got 6 buttons on the top of it. The buttons are as follows. Firstly, the button that you find on this speaker is the power button to switch on and off the speakers, followed by the Bluetooth, which is usually for connecting it with your smart devices, and then the play and the pause button, followed by the volume down and the volume up. And last but not the least, there's a button for X bass, which is actually toggling between bass or if you don't want bass, which can be useful. Let's say you are just listening to a podcast, or if you're just listening to a long speech for that matter, and if you want to save some battery, you can just switch off the X bass button and you can gain some more hours out of this speaker. But I always keep the X bass button switched on. Because I like it that way. It also has got an auxiliary port at the back of it. The charging connection comes with a C-type slot. And one more thing that I will tell you is that if you're looking to get those smaller speakers, then wait right there and go with this speaker. And I also do have a valid reason to back that up. The smaller size speakers come with a near to no low-end frequencies. The reality is you're not going to get any bass out of those smaller speakers simply because of the size of it. Those speakers are going to sound like a smartphone speaker, but with 2x loudness. So that's how the sound is going to be with those smaller speakers. Instead of that, you can go with this speaker, with which you can relax and enjoy soothing music with a cup of tea or coffee in the evening. Overall, talking about my experience, this is going to be a very good speaker if you're thinking from the perspective of portability and a mix of a balanced kind of a sound. This is going to be very nice choice. One more thing that makes this brand Tribit special is that they are solely focused on the sound devices and nothing else, unlike the other brands that are present in every niche but kind of average at everything. Talking about my final verdict, you should be going for this speaker. I have put the link in the description box below. Click on that link and you can buy it right now. See you in my next video. Till then, stay connected and bye. हुशारीनं चाल चालणे गंजगावा शिवाच्या काळीतच म्हणे शिवाजी